Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to unpin TikTok videos. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So then let's get started. First thing, you need to log in into your TikTok account. And once you're logged into your account, you need to tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the profile icon, next interface will be directed to your profile page. And over there, you need to click on the icon that is in the left hand side corner. As soon as you click on the icon, you'll be able to see the pinned video on your TikTok application. So in order to unpin the video, all you need to do is open it on your widescreen or make it full screen, and after that you'll be able to see three dot icon in the right hand side corner. You need to tap on it. As soon as you click on it, a drop down menu will appear, and right at the bottom you'll have an option as unpin. And similarly, if you want to pin some videos, then you need to do the same process, but instead of unpin you'll have an option as pin, and after that you've unpinned TikTok videos. So that is how it works. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.